It looks like that recruiters are always at the receiving end, but this is not true. Hi, I am Nancy. I'm the founder of Careervues. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to give some tips to the recruiters to better communication with the candidates. There are different aspects of hiring, and during these aspects, we also have to undergo some difficult communications. So today I'm going to give you tips for 5 stages of candidate communication. So my first tip is about having a telephonic conversation. If this is your first call and you are trying to understand candidates' background and job history, do not be in a rush to put the phone down. Sit with a form and make sure you list down all the aspects that you need information about. Understand what the candidate has to say. Make sure you take all the details without missing out on anything important to the job role. Be an active listener. If you're not sure, ask open-ended questions so that the candidate is able to highlight more of their experiences. Asking right questions is vital to your first conversation with the candidate. Understanding the true position of the candidate would help you to make an informed decision and highlight any red flags at the beginning. A detailed communication could definitely help you decide whether to proceed with the candidature or no. So make sure you keep in mind these key tips while you contact candidates for the first time. Now let me move to the second aspects between the recruiter and a candidate. Salary discussion. Another complicated topic. When you start discussing about any candidate's salary, make sure you know the market standards. You are very confident that you are not missing out on any internal information. When you're talking on the company behalf, you should be aware what is the bonus structure, how the company pays its incentives, how the different percentages are being calculated, and what additionally a candidate would like to know. Make sure to have all these details come in handy when you are speaking about the salary negotiations. Because at any given time, an I don't know would make candidates question your credibility. A bonus tip, when you start the communication, always keep a zone. There is the midpoint, there is the closing point and the beginning. See where your candidates fit in the range and start your negotiations from that zone itself. Now, third and an important aspect of recruiters' communication is offer negotiation. When we talk about the job offer, the candidate knows already that he or she has been halfway there. They are being contacted to discuss an offer, which means that they are very likely to get selected for the job. When talking about the job offer, keep your negotiation points on the table. Make sure the candidate understands what is and is not okay for the negotiation criteria. Always remember, different people have different reasons to join the organizations. Some people come for big names. Some people come because the commute time is less. What are the hidden perks that you could negotiate about? Keep that in mind. The focus doesn't have to be always on monetary terms or the bonus structure. It could be free food, it could be housing, it could be the commute time, it could be the work-life balance. So be ready with all your tools to start and end the negotiation well. My next tip and trick is about aligning the hiring teams and candidate aspirations. This is a crucial aspect of communication between a candidate and a recruiter. Finding the right talent and making a perfect match is difficult than it seems. Make sure you use your consultative approach towards the hiring managers when talking about a candidate, so that they don't go on a spree of demanding more and more. Keep your communication straight with them. Make sure before starting the process, you have the requisition form ready with you. What are the key requirements of the job role? What is non-negotiable and negotiable aspects in a candidate? Before you start your search, make sure you have an in-person meeting with the hiring department and understand the team dynamics so that you are able to communicate them with the job candidates and you're able to find the most suitable candidate for the role. When it comes to candidate communication, make sure you keep the employer branding in mind. You should speak for your company. You should be able to answer each question they have in mind regarding the teams. Send out a clear job description to the candidates before even starting the communication. Create the right funnel so that if you don't have one candidate who is interested for this role, you always have a backup. If the hiring team has rejected a candidate for no substantial reason, make sure you have solid grounds to represent those candidates and understand the reason. Convey the feedback to the candidates. Understand the detailed reasons from them, because it's your core responsibility to manage candidate feedback, which in turn builds up your employer's brand. My last and final tip: how to revoke an offer. We have challenges while working in the HR or recruitment. Sometimes the candidates turn down the offer, and sometimes we have to revoke them for certain reasons when we are unsure. It's any day better than going with the wrong candidate. But this must be done the right way. The best way to revoke an offer is by starting to empathize. Do not send just a vague email saying that we are going to revoke your offer for this reason. Make sure you communicate this very efficiently over the phone, in person, especially meeting the candidate over a Zoom call. Your expressions should mean what you are trying to convey. Be very clear with the reasons why you are revoking this offer. The more detailed feedback you're able to provide the candidate, the better it is. So sending an email is a complete no-no. If it's a senior candidate, manage the communication yourself. If it's a mid-level or junior position, you could even ask your team by giving them clear instructions on how to revoke an offer. I hope you recruiters out there have found this video useful. If you've been watching Careervues videos for the first time, do subscribe to my channel because I keep sharing these kind of career tips every week. Do let me know in the comments if you have any additional questions regarding this video. I have made more videos. I'll be leaving the link of those videos, which would be very helpful for HR managers and recruitment professionals to hire better and have smooth processes when it comes to onboarding, probation, exit interviews, and so on. I would be very happy to have your feedback on this video. Do let me know in the comments. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.